Do you think that the mitigating factor presented by the defense, particularly that Derek Chauvin had 19 years of service and had a clean record, do you think it was just simply too weak?
I mean, they had to present what they had. Whether we think it's weak or too weak or not enough, I don't think anything would have been enough in a case like this, honestly. I mean, the act here is so egregious. And we know most police officers, if not all police officers, try to distance themselves from what Derek Chauvin did here for 9.5 minutes, torturing an individual who was calling out for his mother. And for what crime? I mean, we're talking about a $20 counterfeit bill. So it's, the defense did whatever they had, whatever cards they had, they played the cards. They did talk about how the system itself is broken. Yes, it is broken, and he's a product of that system. And it wasn't just Derek Chauvin that was convicted here. I think the system, the criminal justice system, and the law enforcement system overall, the mistakes, the faults with the system was also convicted here. And that's what has to stay with us. Nothing will be able to bring back George Floyd, but we know that his spirit, as his family, as his daughter said, his spirit is with us and has been with us and will stay with us throughout this journey, throughout this fight for justice. Justice not just for George Floyd, but for all Black defendants, all defendants. I know the judge said he wants to base this decision on the law, and that's exactly what he did. And he did depart significantly. We're talking about almost doubling the presumptive sentence here. So overall, it sounds like a pretty, he's following the law, and he's given a sentence that seems to be one of the longest in the history involving unlawful use of force by officers. And he gave a number that's a decent number, so at least on appeal, if anybody wants to appeal it, it will stick. So he did what he could do. He followed the law, and he did it the right way.